Welcome to our channel and introduction to superfoods that heal the gut and boost longevity. You might be wondering, why is gut health so crucial? Well, our gut is often referred to as the second brain because it plays a vital role in our overall wellness. A healthy gut can improve digestion, enhance immunity, and even influence our mood. Research shows that a nutrient-rich diet can significantly impact our lifespan, helping us to age gracefully and healthily. By incorporating superfoods into your meals, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also investing in your future. Imagine feeling more energetic, having better digestion, and even boosting your immune system, all from simple dietary changes. In this video, we'll explore some incredible superfoods that can transform your gut health and enhance your longevity. So, stick around as we uncover the delicious ways to supercharge your diet and well-being. Gut health is a cornerstone of overall well-being, and it all starts with the gut microbiome. This complex community of trillions of microorganisms plays a crucial role in digestion, breaking down food and absorbing nutrients that fuel our bodies. But that's not all. The gut microbiome also supports our immune system, helping to fend off illnesses and infections. A balanced microbiome can enhance our body's defenses, while an imbalanced one can lead to a host of health issues. Common gut health problems, such as bloating, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and even food intolerances, can significantly impact our daily lives. When our gut is unhappy, it can create a ripple effect throughout the body, influencing everything from our skin health to our mental clarity. Maintaining a healthy gut is essential for longevity. Research indicates that a well-functioning gut can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote a longer, healthier life. What are superfoods? Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. While there's no official scientific definition, the term generally refers to foods that are exceptionally rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients. These foods are celebrated for their ability to enhance overall health and well-being, making them a popular choice in the nutrition world. Typically, superfoods are characterized by their high levels of antioxidants, fiber, healthy fats, and phytochemicals. They often have low calories and are minimally processed, allowing you to reap the maximum nutritional benefits. Foods like kale, blueberries, chia seeds, and fermented items like yogurt and kimchi are prime examples of superfoods that can significantly boost your diet. Many of these foods are rich in probiotics and prebiotics, which promote a healthy gut microbiome. For instance, fermented superfoods help introduce beneficial bacteria into your digestive system, while fiber-rich options support regularity and digestion. By incorporating superfoods into your meals, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also nurturing your gut for optimal health. Top 10 superfoods for gut health. 1. Yogurt packed with probiotics. Yogurt supports a healthy gut microbiome. Studies show that regular consumption can improve digestion and boost immunity. Enjoy it as a breakfast buffet with fruits and nuts. 2. Kefir. This fermented drink is rich in probiotics and has been linked to improved gut health. Research indicates it can help reduce inflammation. Try it in smoothies or as a base for salad dressings. 3. Sauerkraut. Fermented cabbage. Sauerkraut is loaded with beneficial bacteria. A study found it can enhance gut flora diversity. Add it to sandwiches or as a side dish. 4. Kimchi. Similar to sauerkraut, kimchi is a spicy fermented vegetable dish. It's rich in probiotics and antioxidants, promoting gut health. Use it in stir-fries or as a topping for rice bowls. 5. Chia seeds. High in fiber, chia seeds aid digestion and promote regularity. Research shows they can help maintain gut health. Sprinkle them on yogurt or blend into smoothies. 6. Oats. Rich in soluble fiber, Oats can improve gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria. Studies suggest they can enhance gut microbiota. Enjoy oatmeal for breakfast or add to smoothies. 7. Garlic. Known for its prebiotic properties, garlic supports the growth of good bacteria. Research indicates it can improve gut health. Use it in cooking or as a flavor enhancer in dressings. 8. Bananas are a great source of fiber and prebiotics. Bananas help nourish gut bacteria. Studies show they can aid digestion. 9. Bone broth. Rich in collagen and amino acids, bone broth can help heal the gut lining. Use it as a base for soups or stews. 10. Green tea. Packed with antioxidants, green tea has been shown to promote gut health by reducing inflammation. Enjoy it as a daily beverage or use it in smoothies. Incorporating these superfoods into your daily meals can be both delicious and beneficial for your gut health. Incorporating superfoods into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. First, consider simple recipes that highlight these nutrient powerhouses. For breakfast, whip up a smoothie with yogurt, spinach, banana, and chia seeds for a delicious and gut-friendly start to your day. For lunch, try a quinoa salad topped with sauerkraut, diced avocado, and a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds. When it comes to portion sizes, aim for a serving of superfoods at least once a day. For instance, a cup of yogurt or a tablespoon of chia seeds can provide significant benefits. Consistency is key, so try to include these foods in your meals several times a week for optimal results. Don't be afraid to experiment. Mix and match different superfoods in your cooking. Add garlic to your stir fries, toss kimchi into tacos, or blend green tea into your morning smoothie. By being creative and adventurous in the kitchen, you'll not only enhance your gut health but also discover new flavors and textures that you love. While incorporating superfoods into your diet is essential for gut health, lifestyle changes play a crucial role as well. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain the mucosal lining of the intestines and supports digestion. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and consider herbal teas for added benefits. Physical activity is another key factor. Regular exercise promotes healthy digestion and can help reduce symptoms of bloating and discomfort. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, whether it's walking, yoga, or cycling. Find an activity you enjoy. Chronic stress can disrupt the gut microbiome and lead to digestive issues. Techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help alleviate stress and promote a healthier gut. This means looking at your overall lifestyle, including sleep quality, social connections, and mental health. By nurturing both your body and mind, you create a supportive environment for your gut to thrive. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your gut health and overall well-being. In today's video, we explored the vital role of gut health in our overall well-being and how superfoods can significantly enhance it. We discussed 10 incredible superfoods, from yogurt and kefir to garlic and green tea, each packed with nutrients that support digestion and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Remember, incorporating these foods into your daily meals can lead to noticeable improvements in your gut health and overall vitality. To take actionable steps towards better gut health, start by integrating at least one superfood into your diet each day. These small changes can make a big difference in how you feel. If you found this information helpful, we'd love for you to engage with our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from improving their gut health. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier gut.